So we were gonna do a catch and cook this morning for frogs, but the frogs aren't out quite yet. So right now we're gonna go to a secret spot of mine. We're gonna go get some crayfish, do a crayfish catch and cook this morning, and a frog catch and cook this afternoon. So, because we were gonna post a video earlier this week, and I didn't like how it turned out, so we didn't post it. But so we're gonna do 2 today. Hopefully that turns out good. All right, so we just got to the spot. We are about to put on some swivels and get on some hooks, catch some crayfish. I actually just broke my favorite pole. I snapped the top right off. Well, we really need a long stick.
Or your machete.
Going in. Ow. Like all jaggers. Ow.
Oh, it is.
It is. It's all jaggers. Hey. Whatever.
And you both got shorts on.
Yeah, man.
What did you say?
It's all jaggers.
Oh.
Nope.
Man, jaggers are totally dope. Sounds so peaceful out here. Those jaggers cut my face off. Alright, I'm ready. Let's go find some crayfish.
That's
Good
a crayfish.
Good job. Keep going land.
Boys.
Go ahead and land them in the net. Don't fall, okay?
You said he'd let go, right?
These, it's like hard to
He just
bend
wants to
these.
eat it. He doesn't care that it's out of the water.
There we go. Sweet, one down. Good job.
Thank you, sir.
That means there's crayfish in here. Sweet, you want to grab the bucket, Rico?
Sure.
Definitely gonna need that.
There are a whole bunch of fish. There's a crayfish.
Really?
Yep. Take the bait. Take the bait.
Is it big? Oh, I see him. Booyah, up on land. Up on land, hurry, hurry. In the net, in the net, in the net.
Okay.
Wait, is there other crayfish in there?
Yeah.
Pick it up.
Oh,
Okay.
Good.
Going after this stuff.
Okay, you got it.
Yep, my crayfish is gone. Is he big?
I'm gonna go over and look.
For mine?
Yeah. In my pocket. What am I doing?
Get you.
Oh, I see one.
Oh, I see one too. Oh, I think he's big. Double catch. I think he's big.
Okay,
Mine got short for some reason.
Bada bing boop ba.
There's one down in this right here, Gavin. He's
Good job.
stiff for some reason. Where else? He's down and dropped mine in. I just slowly take him in.
God.
Oh, right in the bucket, baby.
Oh, he's
Mine
big.
was a little
Yeah.
guy. Like you. Oh,
They've got a spinal cord right there, and I'm just gonna stab them right in the spinal cord. It's like a lobster. And then he's gonna twitch because, you know, I just broke his spinal cord. But he's dead.
So now what?
Now, I'm gonna rinse them off again. So I gotta take out, I gotta take all these, and this middle one out of the 5 is the most important. You wanna lay them out. Grab the middle one, to the right, to the left. Twist it a little and just
Don't do it to the small ones, because we're going to put those ones in the pond.
pull out the whole waste tube in one go, just like that. This guy's full of poop.
Alright, just got the water on. Yeah.
Waste tube's gone, he's dead.
Look at all these guys.
Her noise makes me freaked out.
Yeah, wait, listen. I'm gonna take 2 of these. This guy. I'm gonna take whatever one has the hardest shells. This guy. And this guy. Ready? I think we just leave them in there until they turn red. But that's Gavin's. I'm a little worried.
I'm not. That's gonna be smacked.
How long do you think? Oh, they're turning red already.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh wow. It said boil for 5 to 10 minutes.
5 to 10. On any like high.
I don't know. Man, you take that to the biggest one.
Oh. Smell it.
It's turning black.
Turning black.
See how dark it's getting?
Oh wow,
Oh, you
maybe
can see
you're
it
burning
cooking.
it.
You think?
Maybe yours is too hot.
That's what I'm saying.
He's red as can be.
This guy's turning dark.
I mean, they are pretty small, so.
Look at how red.
Should I put mine in?
Yeah, yours is red.
I just feel like if they were not in long enough. I'm gonna leave them in there a little longer.
Smack. Look at this, Sean.
It's smelling so sweet. Lucy's getting up. She smells a cookie. Does it
The
stink?
steam went in my nose and burned.
Why does mine look so much more professional than yours? Yours looks like... Yours is the chum bucket, and I'm the Krusty Krab.
You can't cook Mr. Krabs.
Yeah.
You can take it out now. It's 5 minutes.
Let's see the finished product. I don't know, man. You think they're done? Ah. Oh no, man. I ain't trying to eat no raw crawfish.
They're small. I'm sure that's enough.
Yeah, most crawfish are like double that size.
Yeah, for real.
Oh, that one looks gross.
Go to the other side, Raquel.
I was gonna move it, but I don't want to touch your food.
Okay, so it smells like it smells like seafood. It's not even hot. Okay, it is a little bit. Definitely some white meat. You get to see? You able to see that?
Yeah.
Just trying to see if I can like get this tail off somehow. So tough. There we go. That is so freaking tough. Holy crap. I'm actually trying. Look at that.
That is what you eat.
And it smells like shit.
They said you grab it, and you just grab the tail, twist it right off. Then you suck that out.
You won't.
Ew.
Scrumptious.
Nuh-uh. Is it good? Will you try mine? My little piece of meat?
Spit it out.
That's good.
Really? What's it taste like? It's
shrimp.
Shrimp? Oh god, do you think
It
I'll like it?
feels like shrimp in my mouth.
Do you think I'll like it if I eat it?
Where's the tail? Oh, this is the one I just sucked out. Yeah, the sucking's not too good, but the tail tastes
The
fine.
tail was good. Alright, I'm gonna eat this next one. I'm gonna eat it.
Yeah, it's in there long enough. So.
Hopefully I don't get sick. Let me eat the tail. Alright. It just smells horrible. You need get higher up. Alright. It's extremely hot. This one's actually looking like done though. I don't know, maybe the other guy did too, I don't know. I'm shook. You know, I enjoy going outside doing fishing and stuff, catching things. I'm too picky for this.
A little piece of meat.
Oh my god, there's eggs in it.
Really?
There's no way in hell I'm eating that.
You didn't take it out right.
I'm done. He said there's eggs in it. That's his gut.
Oh yeah, this is the one where you took the whole tail off. Declan, you're supposed to just grab the tail and twist it off.
Dude. I'll just cut that off or something. Alright.
Salt. It smells like eggs.
You think it's done?
Yeah, it's definitely done.
Do you think I should eat it?
Yeah.
Okay. So, that's definitely one for the books.
Oh my god.
My description, it tastes exactly like eggs and feels exactly like eggs. And I hope and pray to God I don't get sick and die. You cannot believe I just ate that.
Did it really taste like eggs?
Yeah.